A character reference letter for a military application can play an important role in helping a candidate demonstrate the personal qualities expected of military personnel. While academic records and physical qualifications are important, military selection boards also consider an applicant's integrity, discipline, leadership, responsibility, and commitment. A well-written character reference letter provides a trusted recommendation from someone who knows the applicant well and can confidently speak about their character and suitability for military service. So here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Michael Anderson, Operations Manager, Pioneer Manufacturing Limited, michael.anderson@email.com, 312-5554-829. This section identifies who is providing the recommendation and gives the selection board a way to verify your identity or contact you if additional information is needed. Including your professional position also helps establish the credibility of your recommendation. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, July 9th, 2026. The date establishes when the letter was written and confirms that your recommendation reflects your current knowledge of the applicant. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. For example, Military Selection Board, United States Army Recruiting Command, 1600 Freedom Avenue, Fort Knox, Kentucky 40121, United States. This directs your letter to the appropriate military office or selection board responsible for evaluating the applicant's qualifications. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject character reference for Nathan Reynolds. The subject immediately identifies the purpose of your letter and specifies the applicant you are recommending. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Selection Board members, using a respectful greeting establishes a professional tone and demonstrates courtesy from the beginning of your recommendation. Opening paragraph. Now introduce yourself and explain your relationship with the applicant. For example, I am pleased to write this letter in support of Nathan Reynolds as he applies for military service. I have known him for more than 5 years in my capacity as his operations manager at Pioneer Manufacturing Limited, and during that time I have come to know him as a person of outstanding character, integrity, and dedication. Throughout our professional relationship, he has consistently demonstrated maturity, accountability, and a genuine commitment to doing his best in every responsibility entrusted to him. Introduce both the applicant and your relationship with them, allowing the selection board to understand why you are qualified to provide this recommendation. Be specific about how long you have known the applicant and in what capacity, as this strengthens the credibility of your endorsement. A strong introduction immediately establishes confidence in your recommendation and sets the stage for the rest of the letter. Character qualities paragraph. Next, describe the applicant's personal qualities. For example, throughout our acquaintance, Nathan has consistently demonstrated qualities that are essential for military service, including honesty, responsibility, discipline, respect for others, and a strong work ethic. He approaches challenges with determination, remains dependable under pressure, and consistently fulfills commitments with professionalism and maturity. His reliability and willingness to take responsibility have earned the trust of both supervisors and co-workers. This explains why the applicant possesses the personal character expected of military personnel. Focus on qualities you have personally observed rather than making general statements. Supporting your comments with characteristics that reflect real experiences makes your recommendation much more convincing. Leadership and teamwork paragraph. Now explain the applicant's leadership and teamwork abilities. For example, in addition to these personal qualities, Nathan has shown excellent leadership and teamwork skills. Whether working independently or as part of a group, he communicates effectively, supports others, and contributes positively toward achieving shared goals. His willingness to learn, accept responsibility, and maintain a positive attitude makes him well suited for the demands of military service. I have personally seen him step forward to assist co-workers, solve problems calmly, and encourage others during challenging situations. This paragraph demonstrates that the applicant can work effectively with others while accepting responsibility when needed. Military service depends heavily on teamwork, communication, and leadership, so highlighting these qualities helps the selection board understand how the applicant may perform in a structured environment. Including observations from your own experience makes your recommendation more authentic and persuasive. Suitability for military service paragraph. Next, explain why you believe the applicant is well suited for military service. For example, I have no doubt that Nathan will represent the military with honor and dedication. He possesses the character, resilience, and commitment necessary to succeed in a structured and challenging environment while upholding the values and standards expected of military personnel. Based on everything I have observed, I am confident that he will serve with integrity and remain committed to fulfilling his duties to the highest standard. This paragraph connects the applicant's personal qualities to the expectations of military service. Rather than simply praising the applicant, explain why those qualities make them a strong candidate for serving in the military. A confident recommendation supported by your observations carries greater weight with the selection board. Recommendation paragraph. Now give your final recommendation. For example, I strongly recommend Nathan Reynolds for military service without reservation. If you require any additional information regarding my recommendation or my relationship with the applicant, please feel free to contact me using the information provided above. This paragraph clearly states your recommendation and offers to provide additional information if necessary. A direct and confident endorsement reinforces your support and gives the selection board confidence in your assessment of the applicant. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. Although brief, this closing paragraph expresses appreciation for the reader's time and ends the letter with professionalism and courtesy. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Michael Anderson, Operations Manager, Pioneer Manufacturing Limited. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Including your job title and organization further supports the credibility of your recommendation and makes it easier for the selection board to verify your relationship with the applicant. Before submitting your character reference letter for a military application, carefully review every detail to ensure the information is accurate. Your examples reflect your genuine experience with the applicant, and your recommendation is sincere and professional. A strong character reference focuses on specific qualities, provides credible observations, and clearly explains why the applicant is prepared to meet the responsibilities and standards of military service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.